Hey family, I am Almedia Lee Exum, and welcome to my podcast. I want to say to everyone, Happy Life Day. Happy LIFE Day. Happy Life Day. Every day that we are living is a day to be happy. So happy Life Day, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you for supporting me. The motivational message of the day is declutter your mind to live a decluttered life. I want to encourage you all to declutter your life in all aspects of decluttering your life. Do you know that when you live a life full of clutter, it's because your mind is cluttered? I want to encourage all of you all to get organized, to clean out your house, clean out your wardrobe, clean your eating habits. Declutter the mind and it will declutter your life, y'all. I heard someone say that clutter is nothing more than postponed decisions. Have y'all heard of that? When you're dealing with clutter in your house, when it's messy all throughout your house, your cabinets are messy, everything is messy, it's a sign that you are holding off. Why is there clutter all around you? I know in my personal life, when I've decided not to clean up a room, not to clean out a car, not to clean up a locker, not to clean up whatever, like it's because I'm holding off on that. And it's a sign that it's just things I don't want to address. But when you have all this clutter around you, it's stopping you from becoming the best person you want to be, believe it or not. When you have clutter all around you, it's just you deciding that you want to hold off on handling that. But that builds up and it becomes messiness, not only in your house, not only in your car, not only at work, but in your mind. It's a sign that your mind is not at ease, that you're experiencing dis-ease in the mind, dis-ease in the body, dis-ease in the spirit, dis-ease in the passion for your life. When you have clutter all around you, it consumes you whether you realize it or not. I remember I was helping a family member. I was helping them clean out their house. And oh man, they just hoard stuff, papers, bags, plastic bags and paper bags and bottles of water and whatever you can think of. And I just want to let you know, when I help them clean out their house, they feel like a whole new person. Their energy is different. Because I remember she was telling me, she was like, I can't do anything. I feel stuck in my life. I just need to clean out my house. And this happened a few times. And I was like, you just need to clean out your house. I was like, you can start doing little things. She's like, no, I need your help. Everything's piling up and I can't think straight. She realized that she didn't realize exactly what was going on, but she knew she couldn't think straight because it was clutter all around her. When your house is cluttered, then you can't even go out into the world and be the best you want to be. So I want to encourage you all to declutter your life. Declutter your life and it will declutter your mind, and vice versa. When you clear out your mind and practice meditation and prayer, when you declutter your mind, then your life follows. So it's a yin and yang, it's like a swing, it's a balance. Declutter the mind, declutter the life. I remember with my family member, I had to clean out all parts of her house. It took hours. It took more than 2 days. And when we did, she felt like a new person. She had this reboost of energy. She was happier. She felt like she could do more. She could apply to college. She could just do so much more. And she was like, I feel okay now because my place is in order. I want to encourage you all to declutter your life so you get your life in order, so your mind is in order, so you can get things rolling. Some of you all want to get physically fit, but you're looking around and your house is all messed up and you don't even feel like getting physically fit because everything else is not in order. Some of you all want to clean up your relationships, but other aspects of your life is not in order, so you don't even have the focus, the drive, or the mindset to even handle that relationship, to clean it up and organize it, because other aspects of your life are in balance. I heard another quote. It said, it takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. It takes as much energy as it does to wish as it does to plan. This is all going to make sense, but what I'm trying to say is you can wish for things to work out. And all the energy you're using to wish for something to work out, wish for you to get organized, you can actually start getting organized. I'm trying to encourage you all to take action to declutter your life. It takes just as much energy to wish you were doing something as it does to do it. It don't seem like it though sometimes, honestly. When it's time to put in work, when it's time to, mop down the floors and wash down the walls and set my planner in order, organize my planner, it don't feel like that take as much energy as it does when I'm just thinking about doing it in my head. It seems like it's much easier to just think about it. But no, it's exhausting to wish and say, oh, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. And instead use that energy to charge and to actually physically take action. I want to encourage you all to declutter your life. When it comes to your house, when you declutter your house, you create a happy home environment for you and your family when you declutter your house. I want to encourage you to declutter your office space, whether you're working in an office or if you have an office at your home. When you declutter your office, you can work better. You can be more creative. I want to encourage you to declutter and clean out your refrigerator. Matter of fact, I need to do that. When you clean out your refrigerator and organize stuff in your refrigerator, it helps boost your health. Like, it helps you feel better about what you're consuming. And, it actually is healthier for you when you're cleaning it out, because you have to, you have things that may be spoiled or rotten. But when you clean out your refrigerator, when you clean out your cabinets, it helps you with weight loss goals, lifestyle, diet and lifestyle goals when you clean out your refrigerator. And you know what else I want to encourage you all to do? Clean out your closets. What closets are you talking about, media? I'm talking about your baggage closet. I ain't talking about your physical closet where you keep your clothes at. I'm talking about that closet where you're keeping all your bad relationship experiences, all your bad life experiences. When you clean out that closet, you release baggage. Everything that has happened to you, everything you've experienced that you have tucked away in the closet, clean out the damn closet. It's full, it's overflowing. The demons are jumping out of there trying to escape. Clean out that closet. I want to encourage you all to clean out those closets so that you can build healthy, happy relationships with your family and your loved ones and your colleagues. Clean out those closets. These are all places you can declutter in your personal life. Declutter your household. Declutter your office space. Declutter and clean out your refrigerator. Clean out your closet with your dirty secrets, your old secrets, the baggage you carrying on. You can't create a new life if you're cluttered, if you're experiencing clutter in your old life. You can't create a new life if you're experiencing clutter and not addressing the clutter that you have around you. So I'm encouraging you to clean out and declutter your office, your house, your heart, your refrigerator. I said your heart, your refrigerator, your closet, and any other aspects I have not said. I want to encourage you all to declutter your life. When you declutter your mind, when you declutter your life, you declutter your mind. And to declutter your mind is to allow new happenings, a new existence, a new form of being, a new form of happiness. Declutter your mind to live a decluttered life, y'all. That is the motivational message of the day. I hope it inspired you and motivated you. I'm going to start calling this Fruit from the Tree of Life, y'all. Thank you all for your support. Remember to click that subscribe button on YouTube and become a Patreon at patreon.com. Y'all can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, SoundCloud at Almedia Lee Exum. And I hope y'all remember that I'm rooting for you. And y'all remember to have a happy life day.